This is a serious activity. Because we're spies. I'm a spy and Antoine's a spy. We have a mission. And we need to plan the mission and work together and coordinate. But there's a problem. Antoine isn't prepared for the meeting. He doesn't know the code words. But he has to pretend like he does. Because you know what happens when spies don't do their job well. So I have a card that describes the situation, and I have code words.
Read the card.
Okay. Antoine, good to see you.
Good to see you too.
How's life?
Good, and yours?
Yeah, pretty good. The family?
Normal.
All right.
It's okay.
Good. Because, speaking of family, I have a brother. And I'd really like to get him a birthday present. But it's something where I want to deliver it in person, but I can't. But I know you're in that area a lot. So I thought that you could get my brother this birthday present.
No, I totally can. You've already got it.
Yeah. The birthday present is ready to go, and
right.
I would really like to deliver it to his gym.
His gym?
Yeah, that's his business. He has a gym.
Mm-hmm.
So if you could take this birthday present to my brother when you're next in Norway, I'd appreciate it.
I can totally do that.
Mm-hmm.
When's his birthday?
Well, I should probably check Facebook, but I'm pretty sure it's next Tuesday.
Next Tuesday.
I'm right. I'll double check, but it should be next Tuesday.
So I need to be in Norway by next Tuesday.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Well, I mean, I think you go there all the time anyways for business, so I figured you could really help me out, and you would tell him it's from me. Like, this birthday present is from me.
All right, no problem.
All right.
Next Monday.
Yeah, and he's a good brother. Yeah.
He's a good brother.
Yeah. I think he's a good brother. He should have something for you too. You know, he'll invite you in. He'll help you out too. He's a hospitable guy.
Perfect. No problem.
Excellent.
Next Monday,
Excellent.
I'll get the birthday present. Go to Norway.
That's great.
Bring him to his gym.
Yeah. We got to help each other's families for sure.
Mm-hmm. Of course.
All right, great. Nice. He got it. All right. I thought he understood. What was your guess? What was the situation?
Well, I'm delivering some kind of code to our superior or something like that. There must be a coded message, some information to our superior, and he's going to give me some instructions back about what we should do.
It's a contact.
It's
a contact. Yeah. But close enough. Contact. And the gym is his house.
Okay.
Yeah, so I don't think you would have completed the mission. But for sure, yeah, you got through the meeting. That is code words. That's the idea. So I have to describe the situation. Antoine, to protect his life, has to act like he understands. I think he passed.
Did I?
Yeah.